So that brings us to an end to our ES6 Essentials training course. If you're thinking, where do I go next, or how do I keep up to date with the changes to ECMAScript, then you can take a look at the ECMA International website, where you can get a broad overview of the language and the changes that are constantly evolving, which form part of the JavaScript language. If you take a look at the link to the GitHub repository that they provide for you, you'll see that there are links to different proposals for changes to the language that are at various stages of being approved and implemented. So whilst this will give you a broad overview of the features that are in progress or have already been implemented, probably your best bet is to keep up to date with the latest blog posts, news and training videos that will give you a rundown on any major changes and key things that you should be aware of in your JavaScript code. So that's it for the ES6 Essentials training course. I hope you've gained some insight into the changes of ES6 and how you can make use of them in your modern JavaScript code.